Are you tired of manually creating invoices outside Whop? Learn how to send a professional invoice in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the 5 simple steps to create and send an invoice directly from your Whop dashboard. All right, start by logging into your Whop account. Once you're in, go ahead and click on Invoices from the sidebar. Then, click the Create Invoice button to get started. Now, fill in the invoice details: customer info, product or service, amount, due date, and a description. Finally, click Send Invoice to deliver it to your customer. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.